2024 has been a massive year for camera tech. Today, we're putting the Nikon Z6 III and the Canon EOS R1 head-to-head to see which powerhouse belongs in your bag. On paper, both feature 24-megapixel sensors, but don't be fooled. These cameras occupy vastly different worlds, from prosumer hybrids to elite sports flagships. The most immediate difference is the price. At $2,500, the Nikon is a high-end bargain, while the flagship Canon demands a $6,300 investment. Physically, the R1 is a beast with its integrated vertical grip and heavy-duty weather sealing, whereas the Z6 III remains compact and agile for handheld hybrid work. The real magic is inside. Both use high-speed sensor architecture to minimize rolling shutter, but they use different tiers of technology to get there. Nikon's Z6 III features the world's first partially stacked sensor, placing circuits above and below the imaging area for speeds 3.5 times faster than its predecessor. The Canon R1 goes all out with a fully stacked BSI sensor and a dual processor system, achieving a readout speed that virtually eliminates rolling shutter distortion. This translates to incredible data throughput, allowing the R1 to capture fast action with a precision that few other cameras can match. When it comes to burst shooting, Nikon can hit a staggering 120 frames per second in crop mode, while Canon delivers 40 frames per second in full-resolution RAW. Both cameras include pre-release capture, meaning you can save shots from up to a full second before you even click the shutter. You'll never miss the moment again. Nikon's autofocus inherited the power of the flagship Z9, using deep learning to track 9 distinct subject types with ease. But Canon takes intelligence further with Action Priority AF, which actually predicts player intent in sports like basketball or soccer to shift focus automatically. And let's not forget Eye Control AF. On the R1, you can literally move your focus point just by looking at your subject through the viewfinder. For the filmmakers, both cameras are true 6K powerhouses, but their internal recording options offer different workflow advantages. The Z6 III impresses with internal NRAW and ProRes RAW, while the R1 offers high-efficiency Cinema RAW Lite for a professional Hollywood-grade workflow. If you need extreme slow motion, both bodies can crank up to 240 frames per second in full HD for stunningly smooth playback. Stabilization is world-class on both, with Nikon's Focus Point VR and Canon's Central Stabilization offering over 8 stops of shake reduction. Nikon boasts the brightest viewfinder in its class at 4,000 nits, while Canon provides the highest resolution for incredible clarity when tracking action. For storage, the R1 uses dual CF Express slots for redundancy, while the Z6 III maintains a mix of CF Express and SD to keep the body size down. The R1's massive battery and integrated grip are built for all-day professional assignments, whereas the Nikon is more flexible for travel and gimbal use. The R1 is also a connectivity champion, featuring high-speed Ethernet and Wi-Fi 6E for instant file transfers from the field to the newsroom. So, who is the Nikon Z6 III for? It's the ultimate choice for wedding photographers, wildlife enthusiasts, and hybrid creators who want flagship speed at a mid-range price. The Canon R1, however, is a specialized tool for the elite. It's built for Olympic stadiums and professional sports where speed, durability, and networking are everything. Ultimately, you're deciding between the versatile hybrid workhorse and the specialized professional flagship. Both are incredible, but they serve very different masters. Which one would you pick for your next shoot? Let us know in the comments, and we'll see you in the next one.